Have you ever heard of Touriga Nacional? Well, it's a red grape that makes fantastic red wines, big red wines, for those of you who love Cabernet Sauvignon. So let's talk about it and get you some advice so you find good bottles. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. It is day 22 of the Wine Advent Calendar. We're talking about Touriga Nacional. It's a grape that is native to Portugal. It used to be it used to just be made into the port wines, but in recent years, the Portugal wine market has developed, and now it is either a single varietal or part of a lot of the delicious red blends that are coming out of Portugal. And it's a grape that needs your attention and needs to be considered as a serious wine grape. Now, a recent development for Touriga Nacional is that it was added as an allowable grape in Bordeaux. So they're starting to plant it in Bordeaux because it does better in warmer weather. And I know even though climate change is a hoax, it's a hoax, it's not a thing. I guess the people in Bordeaux think it's a thing. Their temperatures are warming, so they're looking for alternative grapes that they can use as supporting grapes in their Bordeaux blends as the weather changes. There are a lot of flavor and aromas that I probably could talk to, but the ones that come up over and over are plums, blueberries, and mint for me. If you're lucky, right, you get sort of that wet slate note that I always get in Riesling. Sometimes it comes through in Touriga Nacional wines, which is very unique for a red wine, so it makes it a fun drinking experience. Portugal wines, because they're still very misunderstood, are relative bargains, and they continue to deliver time and time again. So it's something to explore and really dive into. It's something I have to dive into in greater detail in 2026, because I'd love to be able to recommend certain bottles to you to try. Now, given the characteristics I've just laid out, Touriga Nacional is going to be an ideal steakhouse wine. It can, if you're tired of Cabernet Sauvignon, if you don't have the money for Brunello and you want a wine for steak, grab a Portuguese red blend, Touriga Nacional, and it's going to be perfect. Just, avoid scallops, or avoid pairing Touriga Nacional with scallops, right? Because it's going to murder the scallops. It's just too big. And the scallops are nice. They're light. They're dainty. It's just going to come over there. Touriga Nacional is just going to bash the hell out of the scallops. Inside joke for pairing big red wines with scallops, but I'm going to keep going back to it because I enjoy it. Hopefully you do too. I will see you tomorrow